What if you had the golden key of self-change? Well, before we get into that, let's go over what's stopping the golden key of change. The golden key to personal change is very straightforward and it's simple. And here's how it all starts. It starts with the idea that a lot of goals fail because people don't take the time to connect with themselves and get to know themselves. So what do? They copy other people's goals. Why does that happen? We operate on social comparison. We operate on borrowed ambition. We operate off of external validation, and we seek imitation as human beings. And that is how it goes down. And people have the tendency to chase outcomes instead of connecting things to their heart and the reason why they want to do them. What do I mean by that? Well, some people don't know how to connect those things to their purpose. We have difficulty with that authentic concept of who we are. We may not understand what fulfillment really actually is. So what do? We set goals based on emotions and based on what other people do. And this is what happens. It takes us down a path. We set our goals based on the external motivation, and sometimes we get a random impulse, maybe some fast excitement, and we become inconsistent. Why? Because we have become hyper outcome focused when it comes down to it. And these people that have difficulty with that golden key, they never question why. They never become introspective. They never tap into their self-awareness or look at what their actual values are behind what they're actually doing. So they don't question their own intention behind what they're doing. So the golden key to personal change is self-awareness before you become specific. So it happens like this. You develop self-awareness through a variety of different channels. There's many ways to do it, and then you get very specific on what it is that you want to change. Then from there, you develop that goal, and from there, you build a process or a system to actually get it. That's why people go to a coach. They go to a coach because they themselves don't have self-awareness, but the coach actually. So when we get in the outcome, the fixation of the outcome, we fail in the process. It's like an archer trying to hit the target, but failing on actually pulling and aiming and being in the process of archery itself. You have to focus on the stance, the pull, and do everything. And that's all I'm going to say. Feel free to like, subscribe. Don't forget to visit my Podbean. Furthermore, check out my Roku channel, The Voices of Victory. Take care.